fake life. Please share this video. Fake people, when they preach what they don't promise, waiting that they do, then they feel another person. I was paid 100,000 naira to insult mommy love and to insult Monica, but I refuse to insult Monica. I never come out on this social media to insult people who will not find me. Only one person where Frank pushed me to insult was Hugo and Africa France lady, and I regret him. I regret him because he almost spoiled my life. Me no say the first time where Frank, when me and this Nanite, when he caught the misbehave before I travel, when he caught the misbehave before I travel, I caught and I say, may he stop. Later, I surprised, I say, this girl, come call me, say, she go come. Maybe not that time, she take call them, they come planner. But, he chest, you understand? He chest, after we don't cancel everything, she call me, say, no wahala, he go come. Me coffee say, now, as he take talk and I say, me no say, na plan work. You understand? You got me? So, if to say you not really care out for his side, which one be matter? When you come buy you like gala, you come the pain and say, they live fake life. Man, not buy me tickets. Yes. No, I know you saw organic mama one day. If not be Frank, pay me. Now, one privileged video presenter where I know one call her name. Pay Frank. Pay me. Yes. Yes. Now I pay Frank. Pay me. Yes. Now Frank they call. He got tell her say, this is woman. Oh God, why they not be shaka? Kami ni lao. Ke ni ari home. They can't give me 100K. They can't give Frank 200K. I don't want to call him now. He call him name because that moment when I call him, I don't like him. People will not find me. I promise myself, I can never find them. He don't know me. I'll go and call Mr. Enogi. He know him. He don't know him. No, he don't know him. But now that girl, now devil, now he call Frank before she come my house. She don't know him before. Okay? Okay? So I know what's in the talk. Now that one pay Frank. Frank can introduce me to the saga. I can collect. Frank, be what if you do one, may he collect 100K. Oh, now the phone they use so. I don't want me to call name. No. I can never call name again. Only one name when I go to call now Princess by Bets. When he spent 4,000 euros to try to carry Frank enter UK where he no work. I did the one I exchange contact of lovey. Ireva, unwe Frank way. In person not there for this level Frank not fit gossip. Go reach that FA. Frank scatterlize her, blastalize her, disguagualize her for me. So una way they make friends. Una way they make friends. More than no people. When una they call friends. Not believe. But let me tell you today, say, go ask Lizzie Gist. A lot of my friends, I tell them, no, if una like, because una want me to call the name, I can never call the name. Mona not believe. I agree. Why I believe? Yes, you like, I know an explanation, but I just want to clear the hair. Who like, he believe, oh. Who not like, he not believe. Now, I be that. Now you now be that. But if you not, as I talk and so, by Ariel Bepore, we omagele soon area. Oma soon area. People when he involved, he get what the person go talk. He say five to see people and say how this person tell no, how it happen. If you get sense, people when he involved, they go know what they talk about. Now when they be viewers, una nothing know everything. You got me? I know insult Lolo. They pay Frank to insult Lolo. They pay Frank to insult Mommy Love for my house. Now the money, now the transfer come. Yes, they pay Frank to insult Mommy Love and Monica. Yes, they paid them. Yes, now my house, if it happen, I'm not saying what I do. But I waited to okay. Frank, you have to borrow. My bebo kume, we have a maybe transfer 200,000 your account to insult Mommy Love and Monica. You bebo. If you like, believe, I know your explanation. Yes, I'm not going to mention name, but I know what I'm saying. If you not believe, now, even anybody explanation. I know now, explanation, if you not like what you was with I know call name. But, based on saying it's a bit talk, waiting, I don't know one, I don't know two. This one, I know, waiting at the talk. And me, I not deny myself out of it, I collect 100K to insult Mommy Love. Because now Mommy Love, first, insult me first. Yes, but for Mommy Monica, when they say me I insult, I say no. On my equal me. Equal. Yes, equal. Imana Rove Monica, I know insult her one day. I know insult her one day. But only Mommy Love in me. You are yene. You might understand. Juliet, now Frank make me know you. Abi, so you have to get out of here. When Frank they insult his mama, they insult his papa, they forged life for his mama head, who was deaf. So people, when it's because of Frank know me, Mona get out to meet them. I know call you here. I not call na here, Mona follow me, go meet them. I don't need the support. I don't need the support. Mona get out of here. For follow me fast. Here. 200 euro to cost person. No be, you know, you deaf say I cost am because she first mention my name. Person when you not call my name, why me not cost her? Why me not cost her? Wait there. Now two of them they say me and the scatterlize, plastalize, Merovia, Frank, Wubuda. Frank. Ubega. On a way they talk nonsense. On a see who was war? Who was war? On a the grace. On a the grace. I don't come for Bongo. Idare. I just come for Bongo. We are there for the chop money. On a way they talk say, I don't pay 2 battery. Because say the money when I supposed to pay, good evening. Now I take go to chop a beer bar. Mona, one no where the 10K lati ya wo wana.